Question 3. Note: if A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10, E equals what? Condition 1. A plus B equals 3. Condition 2. A equals 2. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Case 2. When the original condition gives you equations directly, you should focus on the question. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. The first step. Modify the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. We have to find the value of E if A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10. The original condition further tells us the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E, but asks for the value of E. To know the value of E, we need to know the value of A plus B plus C plus D as E equals 10 minus A plus B plus C plus D. So, we are looking at the equations in both the original condition and the 2 conditions. By looking at conditions 1 and 2, we realize that we do not get anywhere close to the value of A plus B plus C plus D. So, we move on to the second step of the variable approach. That is, to check the number of variables and equations in the original condition, and the third step of the variable approach. That is, try to make the number of variables and equations the same from the original condition, condition 1, and condition 2. That's right. This is important. We should go to the second and third step if we haven't found what we are looking for. Second and third step. From the original condition, we have 5 variables, A, B, C, D, and E, and 1 equation. A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 10. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 4 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. We get A equals 2, and B equals 3 minus 2, which equals 1. Substituting these values in the original condition, we get 3 plus C plus D plus E equals 10. We cannot find the unique value of E, so the conditions combined are not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. So, E is the correct answer, which we could get after following the second step of the variable approach. As shown above, in case 2, the original condition gives you equations directly, so you should focus on the question. You should remember the solving process and the sequence. If you do, it is safe to say that all DS questions in GMAT math are in your hands. Answer: E.